It seems to fit.
Can I call you back on that? Can I call you back? Cool. Give me about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. I'm in the middle of a construction project. I'll talk to you in a bit. Oh, now she wants to record me. See how it is. I think this rises up, and so I think it's catching.
It is catching.
So I can get it in there, but it doesn't want to. I don't think I can.
Yeah, it's not quite. It needs to drop down a little. So you're gonna have to shave that off, yeah. And it looks like you have to shave off the whole thing, but I don't know that for sure.
All right. Well, I'm gonna start with this because I can see that it's crooked.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, wait a minute. That's definitely one.
Yeah.
I'll work on that. Give me a sec.
All right. Putting in a new window. It's too dang high.
Well, I don't want to. I don't want to do more than just a little shady shade.
Yeah.
If I do too much, it won't. It won't work.
Yeah,
But it works left to right, and that was kind of.
Yeah, it's too small. It needs to come down like a 1/4 inch or an 1/8 of an inch or something. And why don't I come and hold it and you can see what I mean?
All right. Yeah, that works.
Okay. The chickens are like, what the heck?
What in the name of? Yeah.
All right.
Okay, let's see. Tell me. And I think vertically it's in the right place.
Yeah, it's fine that way. Or you mean horizontally?
Well, I mean horizontally it's a given. I mean up and down wise.
Yeah. Okay. So see that you see the hole. There you go. Get it so that you're where the screw holes were going to be.
Yep.
Get that lined up.
So if it were up to me, I would put it.
It looks good.
There.
But I just got to need to see if that door will shut all the way down. Okay, so take it down.
How far off are we now?
Yeah, you see that little lip right there?
This here?
That needs to come off and just shave a little bit here, maybe with the tool instead of the, I don't know. That's the only.
Bring a knife. Do you have a knife?
What do I have? Excuse me, Trinity.
All I have is the saw.
Well, you can use these clippers. Try that for a second. Otherwise, I'll look in my bin here. While you're doing that, I'll look in my bin. I'm not going to need this stuff. It's awesome. Awesome. It's out.
It's nice and strong, but it's too thick.
Here, I've got a pair of scissors.
That should work.
Yeah. And we're giving you some more ventilation because it's, well, it's pretty warm in the coop. All right, let me go around. Do you think those screws are going to work that
Yeah, I brought them out. I think they'll be fine.
Okay, cool.
How's that?
Looks good to me. All right. This will give some great ventilation for the chickens. And I can close it.
Where I put it.
It closes just right in here.
Perfect. Then I think that's where we seal it.
Well, Let's see. Can you bring it down a little? There. Okay, now try to open it. Yeah, it's like it's.
Yeah, it opens.
Okay, there you go. Yeah.
All right.
It's just, yeah, it's a little snug.
That should do the job.
Okay, let me go and look. All right, how easy is it to open and close? Yeah, you are. Hold on. Okay, so it's not. It's
that.
Yeah, it needs to go higher on your left.
Well, that's a problem.
Yeah.
Push on it on that corner.
I can't.
You can't reach it?
Because I can't reach it. And also because it'll break. Come over here, let me show you. That corner, unless you can come in there and shave it off. If you can shave it off, it'll work. So, over here on your left by the Coop, or the condo.
Yeah.
See how it's just got that little lip?
Oh, yeah, I see. Push it open.
So, open looks great.
Yeah, I can work on that.
Trinity. You have this food over here. Chirp, chirp. I've just been getting their feed wet at night because it's so hot. This is not fermented feed. It's not fermented. It's just wet. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. So do you have it lined up with the holes we made?
Yeah.
I think that will work. Yeah, it doesn't appear to be stuck on anything. Hello, Miss Cloud. How are you? No. Fixing your coop so you're not burning up. Oh, look at the moon. Okay, Spitfire is too warm. Look at her holding her wings out. Yeah, if I really had to, we could put another one there, but we would have to take the
we'd have to
the system down.
Yeah.
I think this will be enough, though. I mean, the whole point is just to have some cross breeds. And I don't need to put the hardware cloth on. $2.50.
That's not a bad price.
That's a great price.
I hope it seals enough.
In the winter?
Daylight in there. Yeah, there's some daylight coming through over here. A little bit over there. We may have to play around with that come winter time to seal that off more.
Yeah, let's play it by ear. I mean, you want some ventilation. I have those up there open.
It's true.
And so...
It's true. And you do have the heater, so...
Yeah. It's like I'm in a jungle back here. So we have the sunshade up. And I recently, we got this set up here. It's huge. And look, this is just one. Look how large that is. So I have the bale of straw out here now. I moved the container. It's on there. Then I have this, and this is their feed. And this is just extra pine shavings and a little of the other straw that I had before. So I may, when that's all gone, just take this garbage can and put it somewhere else. But for now, it's part of the system. And when it's raining, I take that tarp there and I put it on here. Otherwise, I've been using it out on the portable run to give them some shade, like I did today. So I put it on the end of this portable run over here, and then I just gave them a little extra shade, and they could come out of the kennel if they wanted to. All right, so here is the compost pile system, the newest one. This is the new pile, so this is the hot stuff. This is the second pile after it's done there. And then, of course, the third pile. Now, I do have this, you can't tell, this is a pile right here. But I use this to put on to the first one when I need brown. You know, because these are the only leaves I have. It is June, so hey, do you mind? Yeah, I had to put patches in my pants, and they ripped anyway. Yeah. Dude, stop that. I put a bunch of grass here and spread it out. It's just a little experiment, and they can go there and, ow! That's my knee. You can't eat that. No, 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 PK. No, 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 stop. You're hurting me. Quit it, dude. All right, anyway, they like to dig in this, and I'm just sort of experimenting and mixing it with the dirt just for the heck of it. And this pile is just a bunch of dirt clogs that I piled up into a little bit of a mountain here. And then I might add dirt to it, or I might just get rid of it as time goes by, you know. It could end up being, you know, a place to, an added feature if I add dirt on here and then put flowers.